How to create a customer booking in Cloud REMS ERP software. Begin by opening the Sales dropdown from the main menu and clicking on Bookings. On the Bookings screen, click the plus button to add a new membership. Select the project and phase, then choose the member. After that, select the agent, inventory type, floor, and project type. Continue by selecting the deal type, payment plan, registration details, and any other necessary information. Once everything is completed, click Add Membership to proceed. Next, open the History tab to review booking history. From here, select Nominees. Click on Plus Nominee and enter the nominee's details, including name, father or husband's name, relationship, address, CNIC number, date of birth, and country. After entering the information, add the nominee to save the record. Now return to the booking section and open the membership form from the Settings dropdown. The membership form will open, where you can review all booking details and print the form if required. To record a payment, go to the Payment Plan tab and click on Receive Payment under Invoices, and fill in the required details, including salesman, payment mode, cash account, and payment date. Once completed, click Receive to confirm the payment. In the Payments tab, you can view all received payments and generate receipts instantly. Then move to the Statements tab to review complete account statements, including installment details, dates, and amounts. Finally, open the Commission tab to assign commission to the agent who closed the deal. To book a free demo, visit Futuresol.net.